Hi, I'm Marna, and I love troll mail like everybody else. I have become a troll collector. It started out as doing a few crafts with a couple trolls, and from there we have started collecting. So I got troll mail yesterday. We were gone all day out of town and came home. So we thought we'd do a little unboxing for fun. And the first ones are, oh, these are cute. The itty bitty 1-inch with some pretty hair. These seem to have a little bit nicer hair than some I've gotten in the past. So that's part of our troll mail. And then this was kind of fun, and I got this because I joined a few troll collectors groups on Facebook. I've learned a lot. Shout out to all those on those groups, and thank you for all your tips and advice. They have holiday gift exchanges, and I thought this might be cute to stick in some bodies. These are about 1.5 inches, bigger than I thought, cuter than I thought. These also be cute gifts for little girls and, well, big girls. And then there's this. And I'm pretty excited about this one. I'm not good at opening these boxes. My husband pointed that out. He said, get a sharp knife. Well, I don't have a sharp knife. We need to sharpen our knives around here. So here I am fighting with the scissors, but it's kind of like Christmas, makes it last longer. Actually, it's birthday month around here. I not only have 2 granddaughters that have birthdays this month, but I do too. So that's kind of exciting. One of my granddaughters was born on one of my very favorite, always has been, holidays, St. Patrick's Day. Here we go. Finally, the old lady gets to the stuff. What could it be? Where are you? Where are you? Woohoo! You turn it around. It's a Ziggy, or a Iggy Normous, they are called. This is a, I believe it's 1964 Damn Things Iggy Normous troll. Wow, he is in great shape. I mean, really good shape. Everything about him's nice. Thank you for coming. Please visit our website at faroutliving.com. We'd love it if you gave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.